include Franklin, Brentwood, La Verne, Nolansville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Thompson Station, Antioch, Leapers Fort, Percy Priest Lake, Natchez Trace at Highway 96 and Troon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65.
Let's test something out.
What's important for the Lord?
Nope.
Mile markers 55 and 63. Interstate 840 between mile markers 19 and 43. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading